Welcome to Crypto Minute, Bitcoin and crypto news and analysis. My name is Kris. It's time to have some fun. Bitcoin has been sliding down and it's sitting around 9,600. Dominance is rising and the cap is on the decline. Hedera actually looks good, and always a bad sign when you see Tether as one of the top gainers. Resistance is at 10,000 and support is at 9,500. And the crystal ball forecast is to ping pong around. But if we break the support and resistance, look for a big move. But we all know not to listen to a crystal ball, and in no way, shape, or form is this financial advice. Now, China has quarantined used banknotes and printing more money. Another reason why Bitcoin is a clean currency. And Bitcoin is also easier to carry than bags of money or gold bars while running from a pandemic, so it's a great choice and a flight asset. On Bitfinex, whale activity netted $10 million in 5 minutes. Now always remember to keep yourself safe and don't feed the whales your Bitcoin with high leverage trades. The Lambo line, which correlates Bitcoin price with Lambo purchases, shows that Bitcoin is heading into a bull run. Or maybe just a spike in midlife crises. Crypto fact. A Shill is an accomplice who acts enthusiastic about a product or a coin, but is used to dupe bystanders into a swindle. Not to be confused with Robert Shiller, who is a Nobel Prize winner, and said that Bitcoin could only be explained by computer scientists. Well, time for me to get my computer science degree. If you enjoyed it, support it. Thank you guys so much. Have a fucking awesome day, and see you soon.